everyone, this is Ghost Figure, and today we are going to set up this Zhiyun Smooth 4 for the vlog setup that I saw on a video. I'll put the link down below, but I'll be doing step by step what the gentleman does to get it to where he has got it. I pretty much got all the parts for it. Other than that, let's get started. These are the components that I will need for this setup right here. On this Zhiyun Zoom 4, please check out the video here when I did an unboxing of everything that I got. You're gonna need the clamp to go around here to put your microphone on there. I already have a microphone right here. So there's my old Rode VideoMicro. I had all my Canons and stuff like that, so I already have that. You're gonna need this, obviously. You're gonna need this right here, one of these, a counterbalance, the phone as well as the setup, a TRS to TRRS wire right here. I'm gonna put all the links down below where you can purchase this. Full disclosure, I am an affiliate from Amazon, so I do get a portion off the sale if you do purchase it. So thank you for the support ahead of time. I have a lightning. What is this, a lightning port? No, lightning cable to 3.5 millimeter jack. And I'm gonna call this like a right angle lightning port thing. There's one for power and one for the headphones. So we're gonna be putting it in the headphones for the microphone. So this is the iPhone 6 I'm putting it on. It does have a jack for this TRS setup right here, so I'll do that. But if I'm going to be using my iPhone 11, I will be using this setup right here, which I probably will. I'm just going to switch it up real quick. So I'm going to set it up just like he did in the video. I'm going to put the video, like I said, down below so you can actually see how the setup is. Now the only thing I don't have are ND filters. I will probably get one for this phone right here when I'm doing it here. Or I gotta see, because the stylus case that I have for the iPhone 6 I'll be fixing has filters on there, so hopefully that'll be good. Before I do this right here, I'm going to take off my old dead cat here and then replace it with the new one I just purchased. This one right here. I just feel like it looks cleaner. For me, it looks cleaner. Right there. I like it. It looks way cleaner than, What do you think? Comment down below. What do you think? So I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to set it up right here. Right up in there, right in front of me. Since this has the TRRS setup already, wrong one. I'm not going to need that particular setup right here. That's weird. It won't do it. Having a hard time right there. I will have to switch to this phone right here. So I'm going to switch into the iPhone 11 to have the real setup, set it up that way. Does that make no sense? Okay, so I am on the iPhone 6 right now. This is the iPhone 11, where I can get the real setup here. So I'll set it up just like this gentleman did. I'll put the headphone side up here. Slip that in. Very, very good. I might need the counterbalances now because I am using this setup now. Let's see. Slip it in. Okay. Okay, now, yeah, as you can see, definitely off balance. Let's see if we can do it without counterbalancing it. Pull it all the way up. Definitely still not moving. The gentleman was right. It's a bigger phone. Definitely not moving. Let me lock it up here. I have it fully extended to the most it can go. I will now put the counterbalance now. Now it's just location now. I gotta find out where he put it.
The smartphone's no different. I'm using Polar Pro
Right
ND
here.
filters on this thing as well. But now that we got our ND filter strapped onto our smartphone, in this case our iPhone, now we're going to put it back onto the gimbal, which like we said before is as simple as just sliding it in on the top and the bottom, then sliding it down. Now since we added the ND filter system, as you can see, we are very off balance on the stabilizer once again. So
actually, even that right there balanced it.
Counterbalance system here on the gimbal, or we can just adjust this arm.
This
on the gimbal
one
itself
thing.
once again, and as you can see, just by doing that,
This one thing balanced it. Is that okay? Let me bring it in a little bit. It's kind of off kilter. If we bring it all the way in, it's off balance. So if I bring it all the way in, oh boy. If I would choose to bring it all the way in, still off. I kind of like this angle right here. It's kind of halfway. I'll lock it up. It is off balance. Let's put some weights right here. See if it made any changes. Whoops. Okay, let's put it on the other side. It's way too heavy. Okay. That one actually, it is. Let's adjust it a bit more. Let me see what happens if I put a second one here. What happens? Way too heavy. That's what I thought would happen. Okay, so that is actually, it's decent, right? So this is, oh, I gotta definitely take it off every single time. I definitely gotta take it off every single time. That's gonna be something else here, dude. I gotta take it, I have to take it off every single time I do this setup. Which is kind of like, it's a hindrance to a bit degree because I can't be on the go type thing, but whatever. Let's adjust here. So if I pull it out a bit more. If I put it in too much, if I all the way out too much, let's go in the middle. Actually, look, it's standing right there, it's sitting right there. I might have it. Okay, let's put it in. Yes, that might be it. I just turned it on. Okay, very good. So very balanced right here. So let's do a quick audio right here. Check. Now this is the stock iPhone 11 audio right now. I have yet to put on the Rode VideoMicro, but I wanted to see the difference in quality, obviously. Many of the phones out today are very good already, but I wanted to see this particular setup and how good I can boost the quality of the audio, because that's half of a vlog, a video, and all things like that, aside from getting good pictures. So let's do that right now. So once again, this is me having a normal voice on the onboard microphone, stock microphone on the iPhone 11. Let's put let's throw this sucker on here. Okay, that little dongle. We then put in the TR, the gray side, onto here. Lock that in. We'll clean that up a little bit. I'll choose to put it right here. Wait, I'm pretty OCD about certain things. I will put it right here, so I get the setup right there. Attach it right here. Should be okay. Okay, so now this is the Rode VideoMicro with the dongle attached to the phone right now. Once again, the voice hasn't changed, still the same volume. I'm speaking right into it right now. I'm about 3 feet away, so I wanted to see what the quality was. You guys let me know. Let me put it on locked here, dude. Let me reset it. Was it reset? There it is. Putting on locked. So yeah, so this is right now. This is like in vlogging mode right now. So you know, I can boom, forward, backward. Does it? Yeah. Everything looks balanced. Everything looks good. I just want to see how the audio was. Let me know. Comment down below if this was it was a good situation right here. I'm gonna flip it around here. Let me flip it around here and show you guys the setup. Hold on. Turn it off real quick. Boom, turn it off. This is literally the setup right here. What do you think? Clean, not clean? What do you guys think? I like it. So this is like a running test. Oh, no, stuck. So it's just me walking around. Pass it on. I can see why guys like these gimbals. But no matter masayop ka mo, stay na siya. That's pretty much it with this video. This is just a quick review and maybe a little bit of a reaction to this to B-Max vlog setup and me trying to replicate it right here. Tell me what you think. Comment down below. I really like the setup. I'm gonna go do some shots out in the back with the road noise and everything like that with this VideoMicro setup, and see if there's a very big difference doing this. And once again, comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.